Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to play Roblox on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, just check out this navigation bar and go to the store. And search the Roblox and download it. And after you download the Roblox, all you have to do is just open your library and search for Roblox and select it to open the Roblox at first. As it loads, all you have to do is just wait. And guys, after it loads, go on the Roblox home and search for any of the game you want to play on your Roblox. So guys, that's how you play Roblox on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.